What are the biggest milestones in telescope evolution? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing distant stars and planets clearly for the first time. That moment of awe and curiosity sparked a long journey of discovery. The story of telescopes is full of exciting breakthroughs that changed how we see the universe. It all started in 1600, when Hans Lippershey, a Dutch spectacle maker, created the first lens-based device that made faraway objects appear closer. This was the first tool to extend our natural sight. Just 1 year later, in 1609, Galileo Galilei improved this design and used it to look at the moon, planets, and stars. His observations proved that telescopes could reveal worlds beyond what the naked eye could see. In 1611, Johannes Kepler designed a new type of telescope using two convex lenses. This design, called the Keplerian telescope, gave much higher magnification but made images appear upside down. Kepler's work helped scientists understand how lenses work and laid the foundation for modern optics. Then in 1668, Sir Isaac Newton built the first successful reflecting telescope. Instead of lenses, Newton used mirrors to reflected light, which solved a big problem called chromatic aberration, where colors blur together. His design was smaller, cheaper, and produced clearer images. It used a primary mirror made of a metal alloy called speculum metal, about 2 inches across, and a secondary mirror to direct light to the eyepiece. This setup became known as the Newtonian reflector and was a huge step forward. Just a few years later, in 1672, Laurent Cassegrain improved Newton's design by adding a second lens, making telescopes more powerful and compact. Moving into the 1800s, larger telescopes started to appear. William Herschel convinced the King of England to build a giant reflector with a mirror 120 centimeters across and a focal length of 39 feet. Using this, Herschel discovered many nebulae and even some moons. Later, in 1845, Lord Rosse built a massive telescope with a 73-inch mirror and a 52-foot focal length. It was the biggest in the world for decades. William Lassell made smaller but powerful telescopes, discovering moons of Neptune and Saturn. In 1897, Alvan Clark built the largest refracting telescope at Yerkes Observatory, with a 101.6-centimeter lens. The 20th century brought a new era with space telescopes. In 1970, the first telescope was launched into space on the Uhuru satellite, which also detected gamma rays. This opened up new ways to study the universe without atmospheric interference. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, became famous for its clear images of galaxies, nebulae, and stars. Its position in orbit allowed it to see for more detail than ground-based telescopes. Moving into the 21st century, NASA launched the Kepler Space Telescope in 2009. It had a mirror 2.4 meters wide and searched for planets orbiting other stars. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope is set to be the most advanced yet. With a 6.5-meter mirror, it will look deep into space and help us understand the origins of stars, planets, and even life itself. These milestones show how each new invention built on the last, pushing the limits of what we can see and learn. From simple lenses to massive space observatories, each step has brought us closer to understanding our universe. Choosing a first telescope today means appreciating this history and selecting a tool that can open your eyes to the wonders of the night sky.